If you're having trouble signing into Facebook, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix common Facebook login problems quickly and safely. Whether you're seeing an error message, your password isn't working, or Facebook just won't let you in, these methods can help you get back into your account. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and guides. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail while loading the login page or verifying your details. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or refresh your connection and attempt the login again. If Facebook still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with the login process, so clearing that out often solves the issue right away. After that, close your browser completely and open it again before trying to sign in one more time. Now, if you're still unable to log in, make sure you're using the correct email address or phone number and the right password. It sounds simple, but sometimes the issue is just a small typing mistake, an old email address, or a saved password that no longer works. Double-check every character carefully. If you are not sure about your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Facebook will guide you through the recovery steps, and you can reset your password using your email, phone number, or other account recovery options. Once you reset your password, try logging in again with the new details. If you are using a browser, it can also help to try a different browser or switch to the Facebook app, because sometimes the problem is related to the device or browser itself. And if you have multiple accounts saved on your device, make sure you are selecting the correct one. If none of these steps work, the issue may be temporary on Facebook's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can sometimes fix it. But in most cases, checking your connection, clearing cache and cookies, confirming your login details, and using Forgot Password will solve the problem. I hope this helped you fix your Facebook login issue. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple troubleshooting tutorials like this one.